This is Josh from Wohler Equipment. Today we're taking a look at the all-new MT226HEC from LS Tractor. This model is replacing the MT225HEC, but it is now available with a cab. This cab has heat, air conditioning, and optional radio. Our front end loader has been updated. It now lifts just shy of 2,000 pounds. Nice, spacious, roomy cab. We still have that same Mitsubishi 24.5 horsepower engine. Added a rear set of hydraulics as standard. You will notice it does not currently have a drawbar. We do have some on order for this and other tractors in this series. But do check with your local dealer. If you are not purchasing from us, make sure that that is included if it is something you need. Fueling is now on the fender. Here in the cab, it looks similar to what you would have seen on HEC series cab in the larger tractors prior. New redesigned hood. Great visibility. We have a rear view mirror. A lot of headroom. Speakers. HVAC. Here on the side, we've got our HVAC controls. The radio would go right there in that slot. Loader controls. Rear hydraulics. 3-point controls. And our PTO switch here on the fender.